buddy. How you doing?
Yay. It is game night.
Ow, ow!
Are you ready for this? I got a new laptop.
Actually new.
The movie in front of Dark Web is a 2018 American screen life horror film, directed and written by Stephen Scott. The main cast includes Collins Woodwell as Matthias, Steven Nogueras as Amaya, Rebecca Rittenhouse as Serena, Betty Gabriel as Nari, Connor Del Rio as AJ, and Andrew Lees as Demon. It was all started when Matthias found a laptop at his workplace. Dahil sa sobrang pangangailangan niya ng panibagong laptop, he took the laptop home, without knowing kung kanino ito or ano ang nilalaman ng laptop na ito. Later on, he used the laptop. Nag-log in siya sa mga accounts niya like sa Facebook, Skype, even his Spotify account. He even told his friends na binili niya yung laptop na yon. A few minutes of using the laptop, napansin niya nagdalag ito. So he tries to check the storage at doon niya nakita isang hidden folder na sobrang laking file ay halos napuno na ang storage ng laptop. And he told his friends about it. And when he opened the folder, he saw a bunch of videos of people who's endangered. And that is when he admitted to his friends na hindi naman talaga niya binili yung laptop, na kinuha niya lang ito nung may nakaiwan sa workplace niya. That is when he received an anonymous message through his laptop that if someone calls the police or disconnect from the call, they will die. Later on, they found out a group of hackers na may mga miyembro na nangangalang Shara, which is the one who did the torture and the hacking. As the time passed by, unti-unti nang namamatay ang mga kaibigan niya, hanggang sa pati siya at ang girlfriend niya na si Amaya ay namatay na rin. The fun that they expected turns into a plotty scene that the characters experience. So, what are the trends in ICT that was tackled in the movie? The first one is the social media that includes Facebook, Skype, Spotify. Facebook, which Matthias used for communicating his girlfriend. The second one is the Skype, which Matthias used for communicating his friends. And the last one is Spotify for entertainment. The next trend in ICT is the convergence, which is the laptop that Matthias used. The next one is assistive media, which is the Papaya app that Matthias used for better communication to his deaf girlfriend, Amaya. And the last one is mobile technology, which is operating system of Apple, which is iOS. So what are the internet threats that were shown in the film? The first one is spyware, when the owner of the laptop or Sharon Ford can still access the laptop without Matthias knowing. And also the features in the hidden file that shows the camera footage of the hacker's victims. Phishing. Phishing was used by the hacker to know about Matthias and the others. What are the lessons that I have learned in the movie Unfriended Dark Web? First one is never fully trust an app kahit nakilala na ito or sa mga app na bagong kilala mo pa lang. And the second one and the last way is never fully trust someone na nakakausap mo lang through online.